is the largest privately held dedicated hosting company in the world. We have over 56,000 servers under management, hosting over 17 million websites. Customers come to us and they expect to have the full flexibility from whether they want to own the hardware and they just want network and data center facilities for us, so we have co-location, all the way up through customers that expect us to do the full day-to-day administration of their application, which means having security people, having database administrators that are looking at the infrastructure day in, day out, minute by minute to make sure that it's up and running and working and properly tuned. And then we provide sort of a middle ground for customers that really have the expertise to do the day-to-day administration of their infrastructure, but really just need someone that can provide the servers, the software, as well as the data center network. And that really is our dedicated server business. Growth for us really is our core challenge. If you look at the business model that we've been able to produce, which is obviously rested on great infrastructure, it's also about giving customers a great deal of flexibility. Our customers come to us with an expectation of the latest and greatest server technology. Today, Dell's our exclusive provider of server hardware. We're able to take advantage of the great engineering, the great quality control, as well as the great efficiencies. We're able to stay tightly aligned with their roadmap. We're able to stay tightly aligned with the latest and greatest server technologies with exactly what our customers demand. So today, we're really working closely with the Dell on-site team to install the first R710 servers at the planet. And not only are we doing that here in our H2 data center in Houston, Texas, we're also doing that in Dallas. So the R710 for us provides really the most cost-effective access to the most recent Nehalem-based Intel processor. So we have customers that are running next-generation virtualization technologies as well as really high-capacity databases that expect to be able to take advantage of the power of the Nehalem processor. But what made the Power Edge particularly useful for us is it has a much better power footprint as well as really heating and cooling properties which allow us to most efficiently take advantage of our data center space. So it's in our best interest, not just from an environmental perspective, but just from a pure economic perspective to ensure that we're wringing really the best efficiency out of this. Dell has been able to reduce the power footprint with every subsequent series of release. Not only are we able to save money on utilities, but it also means that we're literally able to get more density into a data center. So we're happy to be able to work very, very closely with Dell to ensure that our first installation of a new Power Edge platform happens flawlessly. And we're actually thrilled to be able to work with the product teams to give our sort of real-world feedback, which Dell is always great about incorporating.